Hello, New Year everyone, Dr. Qin here. SQ has rigorous standards to ensure the products match 5 requirements of SQCS for our clients: safety, effectiveness, stability, uniformity, legality. This time we will go to talk about the critical step, evolution of factories. Today we will go to our new young factory for SQD appraisal system.
Evaluations of manufacturing factories include 6 factors: factory location, staff organization, equipment, process, sanitation, and storage. Factory location. Considering the maximal control of potassium pollutions, full assessments of factory should be carried out for geographical locations, climate, the quality of air and water resource. Location of factory also need convenient transportation and communication for material supply and product transportation. The factory should have a clean production environment. Functional areas include administrative area, production workshop, R&D, QC lab, storage warehouse, and auxiliary area are clearly distributed. Staff organization. Duties of key personnel are clear, and all staff should have up-to-date job descriptions that clearly indicate their responsibilities. Qualifications of managers. The person in charge should have 3 to 5 years of practical experience in production and quality management. Professional knowledge and skills requirements of workers are ensured. Training assessment. All personnel shall be trained and assessed as per the requirements of the specification. Equipments. The interior surface of workshop is flat and smooth, without cracks, tight interface, and no particles falling off, which is easy to clean. Temperature, humidity, luminance, pressure difference, sediment, bacterial, dust particles, and other basic indicators meet the standards. Can production be performed? The factory should have facilities to prevent insects and other animals from entering. The instruments used in production and inspection should be available, accurate, and checked regularly. Process. By the FDCA, SSOP, ISO 9001, and national standards to draft factory management. Technical standards and operating procedures include risk assessment procedures, safety producing procedures, observation procedures. Observe or measure according to a plan to evaluate whether a critical point is under control. Effective reporting system. To prove that the system is operating effectively according to the requirements of the plan. Storage. All materials shall comply with the product standards, packaging material standards, biological product regulations, or other relevant standards. All materials should be purchased from the qualified units and checked into the warehouse according to the regulations. Materials, intermediate products, and finished products that have special requirements for temperature, humidity, or other conditions. Shading, drying, sealing, and ventilation should be stored in accordance with the prescribed conditions. The materials should be stored according to the specified period of use. If there is no specified period of use, the storage does not exceed 2 years and should be re-inspected after the expiration. The untested, qualified, unqualified materials and products shall be strictly managed. The unqualified ones should be stored in a special area with obvious size that can be easily identified.
This is how do we fulfill the process of controlling the product producing. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Thank you for your watching. Fulan Sunshine Biotech wished you peace, happiness, and prosperity through the year of 2020.
We make the world enough health and sunshine.